how to clean Xiaomi G20 Lite as easy as possible. So we're gonna clean this part and also the vacuum itself. So firstly grab some little scissors and we want to use it on stuck hair in this blade. So it's very easy, you can use your scissors and just use it. My wife has long hair, so it gets stuck in this blade or what it is. You can do it multiple times until it's completely cleaned. Once the brush is cleaned, now we want to clean the filter. So at the top here, grab this little thing. You can see lock and unlock. Now it's set to lock. Just grab it and rotate it to unlock and grab the filter. Now we want to clean this little filter. Mine is quite cleaned because it's a new gadget, but just use another vacuum cleaner and suck it and put it back to your Xiaomi G20 Lite like this. Rotate it. Now it's cleaned. And the last step is to just empty the trash bin. Grab this, empty it, and you can also use another vacuum cleaner to make it perfectly clean. So you can clean all the dust inside it and also in this area to keep it maintained, and it should last longer. So that's how you can do it, and now you can use it on your own. So basically that's all you need to do. If you have any questions, make sure to comment, also make sure to subscribe, and see you next time.